You trust Tesco to make the best trucks in the industry. Now trust yourself to operate it safely. Welcome to the Summit A1620 HDK MP training module. Hi, I'm John. We're going to learn safe operations for your A1620 HDK MP lift truck. Let's start in the truck's cabin. Here you'll find your headlights, emergency lights, and operational lights. You'll find your turning signals here. This is the power takeoff or PTO and your emergency stop button. You can see your headlights in action. Notice how illumination changes when you turn on the emergency lights. The operational lights are going to be a little dimmer or brighter and should also be used when you're in motion. Again, the three lighting groups are operational, emergency, and headlights. Okay, safety first, and we're ready to work. Step 1 is to start the truck. First, put the key in the ignition. Once the truck is started, verify that the parking brake is applied, and then put the truck into neutral. Once the engine is in neutral, you can engage the PTO. Turn this switch on. A red light means the PTO is engaged. So, start the engine, engage the parking brake, put the truck in neutral, switch this on. A red light means you're good to go. Now let's look at the lower controls. Here, you'll find the beacon, emergency stop, stabilizer operation, platform operation, cargo light operation, and rear warning lights. Let's start with your stabilizers. They should be extended anytime you're going above 10 feet, and if they're not fully retracted, you cannot drive the unit. These are the platform and stabilizer operational indicators. In the normal down position, the lights are green. Once unit operation starts, the lights turn red. Let's try that. To raise the lift, press both the enable and the up switches together. Use the platform down switch to lower the platform. Don't press enable, just press down. So, lift with both enable and up, lower with down. The platform and stabilizer operational indicators show you that it's working. Now let's check out the upper control. Up, down, and emergency stop are just like the lower control. You can also control the cargo lights and warning lights in the lift gate. Here you can see it in operation at maximum extension. To review, press enable and up to raise, down to lower, cargo lights, warning lights. Here's emergency stop, and this controls the lift gate. Next up is the override application, but first we're going to partially retract the outriggers. What's the override switch? Normally, if you try to move and the unit shuts off, it means there's something wrong. In this case, the outriggers aren't fully retracted, so we're going to put it in park to demonstrate this and stow the outriggers. With the override enabled, the truck can be moved while the lift is below 10 feet. When not in use, you can secure the override control with this heavy magnet. In case of emergency, just press the emergency stop. When the emergency is over, just twist the button clockwise and the system will reset. As you can see from the green lights without deployed outriggers, if the outriggers were extended, then the red light would indicate that. And that's it. We've covered basic troubleshooting and operation of the unit, the lower control, upper control, override, and the system control. Happy driving!